I'm Professor Juliet Osborne. I have a chair in applied ecology here at the ESI. Insects generally are very important in our natural environment, but also our farmed landscape for pollination, but also for recycling, and it's really important that we understand how they interact with the environment and with people. It's important to study insects in the environment because, for example, our crop yields depend on insect pollination, but also wildflower seed set depends on them. And as we manage the landscape, we might affect those insect populations, and that can affect levels of pollination, which will affect our diets. Pollination is important for crops which are sort of the most nutritious. So most of the fruit and vegetables that we eat are pollinated by bees or other insects. So we would be able to survive if we didn't have bee pollination on rice and maize and cereals, but all the nutritious and tasty fruits and vegetables that we have in our diet depend on bees. As the ESI is part of the University of Exeter, I teach the undergraduates. I teach them about applied insect ecology, which is everything that's important about insects and how they affect humans and the landscape. So I'm building links with local businesses, so farmers and landowners and beekeepers, so that we can sort of work together, and they have important questions about why bees are important or how they can manage better for bees and improve the situation for bee populations. So we're trying to work very closely together and build projects together. I really wanted to come to the ESI because it's been set up as a very interdisciplinary institute, and so it's an opportunity to work with a lot of people you wouldn't otherwise necessarily work with, so both biologists and social scientists and geographers and mathematicians. In Cornwall specifically, there's quite a lot of speciality crops grown, like courgettes for example. We've got a student who's studying courgette pollination, and also the natural environment is very good for butterflies and bees, but actually it could be made better, so we're hoping to encourage landowners to make it a better environment for insects, but also that'll be more appealing for people visiting the area as well.